This is the #1 gift this holiday season. The all-new BlendJet 2 portable blender packs so much power and innovation, it's 5 times more powerful than the original and can blast through almost anything. It holds 33% more with a 16-ounce capacity and has measurement markings right on the jar. With 16 beautiful colors to choose from, BlendJet 2 is the perfect gift for everyone. BlendJet 2 is amazing for making smoothie bar quality smoothies. It crushes right through frozen fruit and ice. Say goodbye to chalky chunks of protein. Toss in a banana to make your protein shake taste like a milkshake. BlendJet 2 whips up frozen lattes so good, you'll want to get out of bed every morning just to have one. Top your latte with a little whipped cream and chocolate and enjoy the coffee shop experience without the coffee shop price tag. Be your own bartender and impress your friends with mixologist-level frozen margaritas. Best of all, the BlendJet 2 cleans itself. Just add a drop of soap, water, and blend. Enjoy 15 blends per charge and recharge quickly with any USB port. With Pulse Mode, your BlendJet 2 becomes a portable food processor that can pulverize almost anything. BlendJet offers fast and free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Order yours now exclusively from BlendJet.com.